Hello, kids! Today we are going to learn the letter F. Can you say F?
F.
Fantastic! Look carefully. Big F is written like this, F. And small f is written like this, F. Big F and small f, F and F. F is for fish. A little fish swims in the water, glub, glub, glub. Do you like fish? F is also for frog. A green frog jumps high, ribbit, ribbit. Let's all hop like frogs together. Great jumping! And F is for fire truck. A big red fire truck goes me-naw, me-naw. Let's pretend to ring the fire truck bell. Off to save the day. Let's say the words slowly together. Fish, frog, fire truck. Excellent! Now, trace the letters in the air with your finger. Big F, one line down, then two lines across. One line down, then two lines across. Big F. Can you clap 3 times and say F? 1, 2, 3. F. The letter F is fantastic. You learned big F, small f, and words like fish, frog, and fire truck. Next time, we will meet the letter G. Bye-bye, kids!